This is Mia, trying to wake up. Stretching, stretching. Hey Mia, you have to wake up so you sleep tonight. Hey, just like Daddy. Oh, eyes open? No, don't wake me up. Oh, it's gonna cry. Oh, it's okay. It's okay, baby. Getting your exercise? I'm sorry. No one likes to be woken up. Hey, honey. Yeah. Hi. Hey, you're awake now. You gonna smile? Yeah? Is this the camera? Oh, smiles. Yeah, you like the changing table. Yeah, cute. Oh, big yawn. What do you think? You awake? You awake now? You smiling? You smile? Yeah, you are kinda. Oh, good morning. Hello. 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 Not a happy face. So pretty. Yeah? What do you think? You gonna smile? Yeah, yeah, I made you smile. I made you smile. Yeah. There's an awake baby. You say hi to Grandma? You say hi? Yeah? Do you love Grandma? Yeah? There's Mia getting her exercise. Oh, lots of yawns. Look at those pretty blue eyes. Look at those. Yeah, you're pretty. Yeah, you're pretty. You're a pretty girl. You're a pretty girl. Yeah. Yeah, smiles. Yeah. And you're a happy girl. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, I'll leave you alone now. Okay. Okay, say bye-bye, Grandma and Grandpa. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Yeah. Yeah, say bye-bye. Yeah.